Okay, we will start by making a slip knot. We need to make a foundation chain of 26. So grab the yarn and pull through the loop. Grab the yarn and pull through the loop. Grab the yarn and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 3 chains. Just like the same, you have to continue until you get 26 chains. Okay, now I have completed the foundation chain of 26, and now you have to do a half double crochet row. So I will show you how to do that. On this row you are going to work into the second chain from the hook. So this is the first chain, this is the second chain from the hook. So you are going to work into this chain. So grab the yarn, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, grab the yarn and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. So grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. So this is the first half double crochet of the second row. So we will do once more. Grab the yarn, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through the loop, and you have 3 loops now. Grab the yarn and pull through all 3. Just like the same, you have to continue working half double crochet until the end of this row, and at the end of this row you need to have 25 half double crochets. Okay, now I have completed the row of half double crochets. I have 25 half double crochets all the way along, and now I will show you how to move to the next row. So you need to chain 1 and turn your work, and on this row you are going to work another row of half double crochets, and you need to start from the first stitch over here. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the first stitch, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through all 3. So you need to complete this row. Now I have come to the end of the second row of half double crochets, and the last one I'm going to work into this stitch over here. You bound to miss this stitch over here, so better to count the stitches on each and every round. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the last stitch, and grab the yarn and pull through the stitch, grab the yarn and pull through all 3. Now I have 25 half double crochets all the way along, and you can chain 1 and turn your work. So you need to start the next round. Now I want you to do 2 more half double crochet rows and meet me back to see how to start the letter. Now I have completed 4 rows of half double crochets, and we are going to start the letter. So chain 1 and turn your work. Now on this row you are going to start by making 6 half double crochets, and then comes a bubble stitch. So first of all, do 6 half double crochets. And the 7th stitch is going to be a bubble stitch. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the 7th stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. So grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Again grab the yarn and insert the hook into the same stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops. Again grab the yarn and insert the hook into the same stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 5 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and insert the hook into the same stitch again. Grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 6 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now you have 5 loops, and grab the yarn and insert the hook into the same stitch. For the last time, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 7 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now you have 6 loops on the hook. When you have 6 loops on the hook, you can grab the yarn and pull through all 6. Now this is the first bubble, and we are going to do another half double crochet into the next stitch. Then your bubble is stable. You can see bubble is appearing on the other side. Now you need to work another 10 half double crochets. So with the half double crochet we have done after the bubble stitch, it is going to be 11 half double crochets. So you need to do another 10. Then you have to make another bubble stitch on this row. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through. Grab the yarn and pull through 2. Grab the yarn and insert the hook into the same stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through 2. So you need to do this 3 more times. Now you have 6 loops on the hook, so you can grab the yarn and pull through all 6. And another 6 half double crochets. 1, 'and the last one. 6. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now you can see 2 bubbles, and this is the bottom of the letter A. So now you have to work a row of double crochets. Just continue to do another row of double crochets and meet me back. Now I have completed the row of double crochets, and chain 1 and turn the work. Now on this row also you are going to work 6 half double crochets and a bubble stitch, then 11 half double crochets and a bubble stitch, again 6 half double crochets, and finish it off. So we will start. Now I have completed 6 half double crochets, and the next one is going to be a bubble stitch. Now you have 6 loops on the hook, so grab the yarn and pull through all 6. And continue to work another 11 half double crochets, and then you are going to work a bubble stitch to the next stitch. Now you have 6 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 6. Then work another 6 half double crochets up to the end of this row. Now I am at the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now you can see 2 bubbles on one side, another 2 bubbles on the other side. So the next row is going to be a row of half double crochets. So continue it and make me back. Now I have completed another row of half double crochets, and chain 1 and turn your work to start the next bubble stitch row. On this row you are going to work 7 half double crochets and 1 bubble stitch, then 9 half double crochets and 1 bubble stitch, and then again 7 half double crochets. Continue the row and meet me back. Now I have completed this row, and you can chain 1 and turn your work. Now the next row is going to be a row of half double crochets, so you can continue that row and meet me once completed. Now I have completed the row of half double crochets, and you can move by chaining 1 and turn your work around. Now on this row you need to work 7 half double crochets first and a bubble stitch. Now I have completed 7 half double crochets and a bubble stitch. Then you need to work a half double crochet to the next stitch, and then again a bubble stitch to the next stitch, and then a half double crochet, again a bubble stitch and a half double crochet. Like that you have to continue until you get 6 bubble stitches on the other side. So continue until you get 6 bubble stitches on the other side and meet me back. Now I have completed 6 bubble stitches on the other side, and I am going to continue by doing 7 more half double crochets. Then I have completed 7 more half double crochets, and you need to chain 1 and turn your work. Now the next round is going to be a row of half double crochets, so you can complete it and meet me back. Now I have completed this row, and chain 1 and turn your work. Now this row is going to be 8 half double crochets, 1 bubble stitch, 7 half double crochets, 1 bubble stitch, and again 8 half double crochets. So 8, a bubble, 7, a bubble, and again 8. Now chain 1 and turn your work and complete a row of half double crochets. Now I have completed a row of half double crochets. So remember to count the stitches. You need to have 25 stitches all the way along, and chain 1, turn your work. Now on this row you are going to work 9 half double crochets and a bubble stitch, 5 half double crochets and a bubble stitch, and then again 9 half double crochets. So 9, a bubble, 5, a bubble, and again 9. Now chain 1 and turn your work, and then you have to work another row of half double crochets and meet me back. Now I have completed the row of half double crochets, and chain 1 and turn your work, and then this row is going to be 10 half double crochets, a bubble stitch, 3 half double crochets, a bubble stitch, and again 10 half double crochets. So 10, a bubble, 3, a bubble, and again 10. Then again chain 1 and turn your work and make another row of half double crochets. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Now this row is going to be 11 half double crochets, a bubble stitch, and 1 half double crochet and a bubble stitch, and again 11 half double crochets. So 11, a bubble, 1, a bubble, and again 11. Now I have completed that row, and chain 1 and turn your work. Now you can complete another row of 25 half double crochets and meet me back. Now I have completed a row of half double crochets. So chain 1, turn your work, and on this row you are going to work 12 half double crochets, 1 bubble stitch, and again 12 half double crochets. Now I have completed that row, and chain 1 and turn your work. Now we have completed the bubble stitches. So hereafter I want you to complete 4 more rows of half double crochets, and I will show you how to finish it off. Now I have completed 4 more rows of half double crochets, and I am going to finish it off. So chain 1 and pull the loop, and you can cut the yarn off. Now we have completed the letter, and you can use a yarn needle to hide this tail. Insert the yarn needle into few stitches like this. And you can thread the yarn needle. And pull that from the other side. Just like the same, you can hide this tail too. I hope I have explained it clearly for you. If you have any questions regarding making this, you can just drop a message on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.